Alright, so today's third demonstration today, and thank you very much everyone in the chat rooms. I can see your names, and so I can see Luis Kitters, the score updated, and Jericho Parish, Magna Rider, hi Peter MG, and so many people, and thank you. We appreciate that, your support. Hope you enjoyed that the next demonstration as well. And we have DX full bottle holder. All right, items. Yeah, the holder is always something that it's very important for the decent, the Heisei Kamen Riders, and this is one of that, and comes with the Soujiki full bottle vacuum cleaner, huh? Okay, so full bottle, you can attach the 3 of them. Well, we have the enough number of the full bottles, so we'll certainly try that. Okay. Oh wow, it's gonna be like this, huh? We need his hand. We can use that here in our office. Okay, so let's open this. All right. Simple, very simple. Okay, looks good. All right, and Harinezmi じゃなかった。Soujiki. So the design is, yeah, this is the vacuum cleaner. Looks like a shark though, like someone says, yes. But the design is actually the this is the front face of the vacuum cleaner, right? And here you can see that the cleaner is just sucking up all the dust over here from here. All right. All right. L. What is that stands for, the L? I have no idea. What is the L? L? It's not Soujiki. Soujiki full bottle. Do you have any idea what is that stands for? L and S. L for the probably someone mentioned that a lion, I guess. But what is that the S for? Maybe a Soujiki. Oh yeah, Soujiki stands for that. Ah, okay. All right. All right, so we will try that, but before that, let's check that this holder, and how about we bring that our driver, tank, no wait, love it go first, love it, tank, and Soujiki. Oh, こっちか. Oh, the scar updated. Thank you. Yeah, that's something that I saw that message. Okay. It is going to be its best match, I guess. So, yes. Ah. Oh, and then the belt itself is same material that we use it for the belt driver. I mean this build driver too. Same color. Okay. So you can actually, this is an L. こっちか。 けたね。So you have the belts and food bottle holder will go slide it in here like this. Looks nice. All right, so let's test that. The combinations, huh? All right, so full bottle sets. Okay, let's use that rabbit. Is it too bright? I guess this works. There you go. Okay, and so let's start with the rabbit tank, the basic form. Oh, the power on. Alright, so let's use this time and Soujiki, the vacuum cleaner one. Ready for the experiment? Alright, so let's use that instead of tank. Alright, and he sets attack.
Ready, go! Protect, attack!
Alright. So Soujiki. Well, we tried out the rabbit. How about both of them as the machines? And how about tank? And Soujiki. It can be done. Probably it's not the best much, okay? But it's good. So, just like this, you can hold out your precious food bottle sets like this. And then the set comes with Soujiki food bottle. All right, so we have the pretty good number. Today we received another 24 of the this food bottle holder set. And so we'll be start setting it tomorrow, Sunday activation at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. And so, well, we do have the extras to sell, so don't worry about it, okay? And then, well, I'd like to mention that, as always, these holders, every time the Kamen Rider belt was introduced and followed by these holders, and they are kind of easy to, easy to be out, because it comes with a very special, whatever the parts, sound device or whatever they use it. And so please make sure that you have, you get this one, because we have a pretty good number of the stock this time, but I don't think that we have a second wave for this one. So make sure to get this one, okay? So thank you very much. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this demonstrations, and this demonstration was for DX full bottle holder, and we'll be start setting tomorrow, Sunday activation, okay? So thank you very much. And so next we will continue our demonstration, but it's gonna be a very special because we have Kamen Rider build gashats, okay? So we'll be using the gamer driver once again, and so don't miss that in the sounds and then what it does with the gamer driver, okay? So this is not for the sale, but this is, as you know, promotional items. All right, so we'll find out more about this after this. Thank you.